Across America's heartland, nestled amidst rolling hills and fertile valleys, live the Amish. This community, often shrouded in mystery and curiosity, has managed to maintain a way of life that many consider to be a relic of the past. Yet, their practices hold valuable lessons for the present and future. Their horse-drawn buggies and simple attire speak of a life apart, a conscious choice to embrace tradition and self-sufficiency. This lifestyle is not just about rejecting modern conveniences, but about fostering a deep connection with the land and each other. Central to their way of life is a deep respect for the land and its bounty. The Amish believe that the earth is a gift, and it is their duty to care for it. This respect manifests in their meticulous farming practices, which prioritize sustainability and harmony with nature. The Amish understand that true sustenance comes not from supermarket shelves, but from the fruits of their labor, preserved and cherished throughout the year. Their pantries are a testament to this belief, filled with jars of home-canned fruits, vegetables, and meats, each one a symbol of hard work and foresight. This reverence for food and its preservation resonates deeply with the modern prepping movement. In a world where supply chains can be disrupted and food security is not guaranteed, the principles of self-reliance and preparedness are more relevant than ever. In an era marked by uncertainty and potential disruptions, more and more individuals are seeking to reclaim control over their food supply. Workshops and community events where modern preppers learn from Amish elders are becoming increasingly popular, bridging the gap between old-world wisdom and contemporary concerns. The Amish, with their generations-old wisdom in food preservation, offer a compelling model for sustainable living. Their methods, which include canning, drying, and fermenting, are not only effective but also environmentally friendly, relying on minimal resources and producing little waste. Their methods, honed over centuries, provide a practical and time-tested approach to ensuring food security. Each jar and container in an Amish pantry tells a story of seasons past, of harvests carefully gathered and preserved for the leaner months. The parallels between Amish practices and modern prepping extend beyond mere techniques. Both groups share a mindset that values foresight, resourcefulness, and resilience. They understand that being prepared is not about fear, but about empowerment and peace of mind. Both groups share a fundamental belief in preparedness, in being ready to weather unforeseen storms. Whether it's a natural disaster, economic downturn, or societal unrest, having a well-stocked pantry is a form of insurance, a buffer against the unknown. For the Amish, these storms may take the form of crop failures or economic downturns. Their close-knit communities and shared values help them to support one another through tough times, reinforcing the importance of community and cooperation. For modern preppers, the concerns might range from natural disasters to societal unrest. The motivations may differ, but the underlying principle remains the same. A well-stocked pantry provides peace of mind and a sense of security in an unpredictable world. Yet the underlying principle remains the same. A well-stocked pantry provides peace of mind and a sense of security in an unpredictable world. The act of preserving food is a way of taking control, of asserting one's ability to provide for oneself and one's family, no matter what the future holds. The Amish pantry, brimming with jars of colorful preserves, dried herbs, and root cellar treasures, stands as a testament to the enduring power of traditional foodways. It is a visual and practical representation of a philosophy that values hard work, foresight, and respect for the natural world. It is a beacon of resilience, a reminder that even in the face of uncertainty, we can nourish ourselves and our families with the fruits of our own labor. The simple act of sitting down to a meal made from ingredients grown and preserved by one's own hands is a powerful affirmation of self-sufficiency and hope. In this way, the Amish pantry and the modern prepper's pantry are not so different. Both are built on the same foundation of preparedness, community, and a deep respect for the food that sustains us. They remind us that in a world of constant change, some values remain timeless. Canning, the practice of preserving food in airtight containers, holds a place of honor in the Amish home. This age-old tradition is not just about food preservation, it is a way of life that embodies the values of simplicity, hard work, and community. It is a skill passed down through generations, a ritual that transforms the season's abundance into a pantry stocked for the long winter months. The knowledge and techniques are shared from mother to daughter, ensuring that each new generation is equipped with the skills to sustain their families. The process begins in the heat of summer, as gardens overflow with ripe tomatoes, beans bursting from their pods, and fruit trees heavy with their bounty. The sight of a garden in full bloom is a testament to the hard work and dedication that goes into growing the food that will be preserved. Amish kitchens transform into bustling hubs of activity. The entire family often gets involved, with children helping to wash and sort the produce, while the adults handle the more complex tasks. Women gather, their hands moving with practiced ease as they blanch, chop, and pack jars with the day's harvest. Each step is performed with precision and care, ensuring that the food is preserved at its peak of freshness. The air fills with the sweet scent of simmering fruit and the gentle clinking of glass jars. The kitchen becomes a sensory haven, where the aromas of cooking mingle with the sounds of laughter and conversation. There is a rhythm to the work, a sense of purpose that binds the community together. Canning is not just a solitary activity, it is a communal event that strengthens the bonds between family and neighbors. The methods used by the Amish are often traditional, relying on boiling water bath canning for high-acid foods like fruits and tomatoes. This method, though time-consuming, is trusted for its effectiveness in preserving the natural flavors and nutrients of the produce. Large, enameled canners, blackened with use, simmer on wood-fired stoves, the steam carrying the warmth of the hearth throughout the house. The sight of these well-worn tools is a reminder of the countless hours spent preserving food for the future. For low-acid vegetables and meats, pressure canning is employed, ensuring that harmful bacteria are eliminated. This method requires careful attention to detail and a deep understanding of the science behind food preservation. Canning is more than just a preservation method for the Amish. It is a way of life. It represents their commitment to self-sufficiency and their respect for the natural world. It is a testament to their resourcefulness, their ability to provide for their families through the changing seasons. The jars of preserved food are a visual representation of their hard work and dedication. It is a tangible link to the past, a reminder of the importance of self-reliance and community in a world that often seems to value neither. Each jar tells a story of the season it was preserved in, the hands that prepared it, and the family that will enjoy it in the months to come. The fruits of their labor are enjoyed throughout the year, with meals that feature the preserved bounty of their gardens. These meals are not just about sustenance, they are a celebration of the hard work and dedication that went into preserving the food. Even the youngest members of the community are taught the importance of canning. They learn by watching and helping, gaining an appreciation for the effort and care that goes into each jar. Canned goods are also sold at local markets, providing a source of income for many Amish families. These markets are a place where the community comes together, sharing their bounty with others and supporting one another. The sight of pantry shelves filled with colorful jars is a source of pride for the Amish. It is a visual representation of their hard work, their connection to the land, and their commitment to preserving their way of life. The sharing of canning tips and recipes is a cherished tradition. It is a way for the community to stay connected, to learn from one another, and to ensure that the knowledge and skills are passed down through the generations. In the end, canning is about more than just preserving food. It is about preserving a way of life, a set of values, and a sense of community. It is a tradition that continues to thrive, bringing families and communities together in a shared purpose. The warmth of the summer sun becomes another tool for preservation in the Amish world. The sun, a natural and abundant resource, plays a crucial role in their age-old tradition of drying food. This method, passed down through generations, is a testament to their deep connection with nature and their resourcefulness in utilizing what the earth provides. Drying, one of the oldest methods of food preservation known to humankind, allows the Amish to capture the essence of summer's bounty and enjoy it throughout the year. This technique, which dates back to ancient civilizations, has been perfected by the Amish, who rely on it to sustain their simple, self-sufficient lifestyle. By drying their produce, they ensure that nothing goes to waste and that they have a steady supply of nutritious food even during the harsh winter months. From herbs strung like verdant garlands to slices of apples slowly browning in the sun, drying transforms perishable foods into concentrated bursts of flavor. Simple techniques reign supreme. The process begins with careful selection and preparation of the produce. Herbs are meticulously tied in bunches, while fruits are sliced to the perfect thickness to ensure even drying. This attention to detail is what makes the end product so flavorful and long-lasting. Herbs, carefully gathered and tied in bunches, hang from rafters in barns and sheds, their fragrance filling the air. The sight of these herbs, swaying gently in the breeze, is a common one in Amish communities. The barns and sheds, with their rustic charm, provide the perfect environment for the drying process. The air inside is filled with the rich, earthy aroma of drying herbs, a scent that is both comforting and invigorating. Fruits, sliced thin and spread on trays, bask in the sun's rays, their moisture slowly evaporating until only chewy, intensely flavored pieces remain. This method not only preserves the fruits but also enhances their natural sweetness and flavor. The sun's gentle heat works its magic, transforming the fresh produce into delicious, nutrient-dense snacks that can be enjoyed long after the harvest season has ended. The Amish understand that drying is more than just removing moisture. It is about concentrating flavors, intensifying the essence of the food. This understanding is reflected in the care and attention they give to the drying process. Each step is performed with precision and patience, ensuring that the end product is of the highest quality. The result is a pantry stocked with a variety of dried goods, each one a testament to the skill and dedication of the Amish people. Dried tomatoes deepen in sweetness, their tangy notes becoming more pronounced. The drying process intensifies their natural flavors, making them a versatile ingredient in a variety of dishes. Whether added to soups, stews, or salads, these sun-dried tomatoes bring a burst of summer freshness to any meal. Herbs, once dried, release their aromatic oils with greater potency. These oils, which are concentrated during the drying process, give the herbs their distinctive flavors and aromas. When used in cooking, they add depth and complexity to dishes, elevating even the simplest of meals to something truly special. These concentrated flavors add depth and complexity to winter meals, a reminder of summer's bounty long after the last harvest. The dried herbs and fruits, with their intense flavors, bring a touch of warmth and sunshine to the cold winter months. They are a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Amish people, who have mastered the art of preserving the best of each season. Drying, like other Amish food preservation methods, is deeply intertwined with their connection to the land. The Amish have a profound respect for nature and its cycles, and this is reflected in their approach to food preservation. By drying their produce, they are able to make the most of what the land provides, ensuring that nothing goes to waste, and that they are able to enjoy the fruits of their labor all year round. It is a slow and deliberate process, one that requires patience and an understanding of the natural world. The Amish take their time, allowing the sun and air to do their work, knowing that the end result will be worth the wait. This slow, methodical approach is a reflection of their way of life, which values simplicity, patience, and a deep connection to the natural world. It is a testament to their ability to work in harmony with nature, to harness its power to sustain themselves. The Amish have perfected the art of drying, turning it into a ritual that is both practical and deeply meaningful. Through this process, they are able to preserve the best of each season, ensuring that they have a steady supply of nutritious, flavorful food all year round. This harmony with nature is at the heart of the Amish way of life, a way of life that is both sustainable and deeply fulfilling.